Solderless SharkBite connectors let homeowners make secure waterline repairs and new connections fast without soldering or special tools. SharkBite push-fit fittings work by creating a mechanical seal between the pipe and the connector using an inner stainless steel grab ring and an outer elastomeric O-ring, so you simply cut square, deburr, and push the pipe in until it seats. They are compatible with copper, cross-linked polyethylene, and polybutylene when used with the correct pipe type, and you can use them on both potable cold and hot water lines up to the manufacturer-allowed temperature and pressure ranges. For a reliable joint, ensure the pipe is clean, straight, and free of deep scratches or heavy corrosion, and mark the insertion depth on the pipe so you know it is fully seated. When removing a connector, use the manufacturer removal tool or a removal clip that depresses the grab ring. For semi-permanent needs, consider using a replacement sleeve instead of repeated reinsertions. For long runs, where expansion and contraction occur, leave slight slack or include a loop to reduce stress on the fitting, and do not over-tighten any threaded adapters that join to SharkBite components. Always shut off and drain the system before installing, test at low pressure first, and follow local code for permanent versus temporary installations. Common mistakes include not cutting the pipe square, which causes leaks, so use a quality tubing cutter and file any burrs to guarantee a flush seal. Another issue is inserting debris or pipe scale into the fitting, which damages the O-ring. Flush and wipe the pipe, then visually inspect the inside before insertion. The third frequent problem is relying on a push fit where a permanent threaded or soldered connection is required by code. So verify your local plumbing rules and use SharkBite for repairs, modifications, or temporary work when allowed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse profiles that show who does similar work in their area. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners. Plus, we host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real project experiences.